So guys, it's currently Monday. I've looked at the chart. I didn't see any position. I'm waiting for a position though. I'm waiting for a sell position on gold, but it has not gotten there, which means I'm not gonna take the trade. And even if it gets there, I still need an entry confirmation. If it doesn't give me the entry confirmation, we're not entering the trade. So that's basically how we're gonna be trading. We're going to be very cautious with this account. So yeah, let's see if it gets to the. I'm thinking probably tomorrow throughout the Asian session and London session it will get there. Once you get there, New York tomorrow, we'll be able to take the trade. So let's see how we go. So what's up, guys? I'm seeing a trade setup happening. So as you guys see, I've put this line, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. This is gold. So I'm seeing this 1 hour engulfing candle. I want this candle to close above, and it's almost like 1 minute on the candle. It's just few seconds. So obviously this is going to close above, but I don't think I'm going to be entering now. I won't be entering now, obviously. The target's up there, but I'm looking to catch like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 on this. So yeah, I don't want to enter now. This trade might enter in the London session, most likely enter in the London session, and I might not catch this trade, but it's going to play out. It's going to play out for sure. So let's just see. Let's just see. Um, yeah, and I hope it happens in New York session. I hope it just gives a bullish momentum and just comes back and taps in the New York session. So that would be very nice. But if it doesn't, then we just hold till it reaches the target. Then we take our initial trade. So guys, first trade on the account. Um, don't mind the one in the middle. This is not really a trade. This is not really a trade. This is the actual trade. The one I told you yesterday, I told you guys that it's going to come back here. So we're waiting for it to come back. Thank God it didn't come back in New York, in London session. So it seems like it's going to go back in New York session, and we'll take the buys from there. Pretty nice setup. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This is the first trade on the account, and 1%, as I said, we trade 1%. If we lose this trade, then we'll start trading 0.5%. If we come back to break even, then we trade 1% again. That's how this is going to go. So guys, another news, another bad news. Basically, as you guys know, my strategy is a very stupid one when it comes to missing entries. It is a very good strategy actually, but we miss entries a lot because of how sniper this thing is. As you remember in the last video, I told you that this is where I'm going to be buying from. So I've set my buy limit here, and as you can see, price already leaving us again. And I'm like, this is in last week. Was it last week? Yeah, last week I think we missed, just because price did the same thing that it's doing right now. We missed like 3 to 4 trades, and now we're starting with another account. We're missing this trade again for the first time. So, but this time I'm not going to let it get to me the way it got to me last week. I'm not going to let it get to me. I'm just going to leave it. Once it's 6 p.m. I'm taking off I'm removing it. Then tomorrow we'll take another trade, and that's how I'm just going to do. If I like miss 100 times, as long as I know that my analysis is right and this trade is actually going the way I'm supposed to go. And that's one thing I noticed. It only happens mainly on gold. If I trade other pair will actually reach the place where it's supposed to reach. But gold is always eager to just move. Is eager to move. So like it doesn't want to reach the demand zone and tap us in most of the times. Sometimes it eats. Most of the times it eats, but like recently it's just always eager to like move, and it doesn't want to just hit us and tap us in and move according to the analysis. As you can see, this trade now, I think we were in, if I calculate this, if we were in now, would have been 1 to 1, Yeah. For now, we just have to wait it out. Have to wait it out, man. If it comes back fine, then once it's 6 o'clock, I'm removing the buy limit. I'm removing the buy limit. I'm not leaving it there. So once it's 6, I remove it, or 7, because I don't want to be holding it late New York session when the volume is already going down. So yeah.
Ugh, brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
So guys, today's trade was missed by a peep, and yeah, see what this trade gave us. See what this trade gave us. It even hit my TP and like pass if I had put TP. Like smooth trade, guys. It would have given us like, let me see. It would have given us 11. They have given us like 1 to 4. It's like a 1 to 4, guys. I mean, these things happen in the market, guys. You can't just be angry, guys. You can't just be angry. So we just have to, compose. Have to compose ourselves. It's just how it is. Really, it's really sad, but what can I do? So yeah, let's see if we can catch another trade probably tomorrow. As you can see, I've marked this 4-hour area and this 2-hour area also. So I'm looking for it to get to this 2-hour area, then give us an entry signal tomorrow to sell to the downside. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, we didn't get tapped in, and yeah, I don't put TPs because you don't know the potentials of your TP, but I always know where I'm going to get out. So yeah, imagine guys, just imagine. Well, come again another day. I'm gonna cancel this. Let's do it like that. And yeah, we'll come again another day, guys. That's tomorrow. See ya. What's up, guys? Basically, as you know, we didn't take trade yesterday because we missed by a peep again. Like this thing has happened to us 5 times, guys. 5 times. Like this my strategy, just crazy. Just miss by a peep every single time. Go to the take profit. But you know what we're going to do? We're just going to be moving that entry just like some peeps up so that we keep tapping our peep, and that's what I feel like we should change. So I'm always moving it up most of the time, but like it's not enough. But I'll just keep anyway. My mind says I should put it. I don't want to always put it far so that the stop loss will still be able to carry the 1% that I want to carry. So yeah, let's just see what happens. I'm seeing a trade setup on gold to buy. If this trade setup plays out, then fine, we'll just take the trade. I'm still risking 1% because the account I've not taken any trade, so 1% on the account. Let's see what happens. Peace. So guys, I just placed this buy limits in this place. Just place the buy limits. So let's see what happens, guys. Let me show you how the trade looks like on TradingView. See, so we're looking to buy to this next area, this next 1 hour supply. So let's see what price does. It will tap us in this time. Hopefully, I've put it above the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes area of supply, area of demand. So let's see if price taps us in and goes to the upside. So yeah. So guys, if this trade hits, so I'm looking to get a 1 to 3 on this trade. As you can see, it's 1 to 3 on this trade. So let's see, 1 to 3. We can get that. That would be very nice. Though there's still more space for price to go, but I'm looking to get out at this supply. So yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? Update on the trade. As you can see, TP1 just got smashed, guys. TP1 just got smashed. Let me delete this stuff. So yeah, TP1 just got smashed. Let me put it on the 15 minutes so you guys can see what we're talking about. So yeah, I put an alert for TP1. So now we're looking to head to TP2. TP2 is somewhere around there. Then this TP3. We're looking to get 3% off of this. So yeah, let's see how the trade goes. Let's see how it goes. There's a news around 7 and this is 6. So I might just put it in break even before the news hits. so so won't lose anything. So I'll just put it in break even before the news hits. But it's already well far from our entry, so yeah. TP1 smash. Let's go for TP2, guys. Let's get it. So guys, I said let me show you guys what the account is looking at. As you can see, we're already 1-to-1 on the account. The account is $50. As you can see, I can close now and I'll be 1% up, but that's not what we're looking for. We're always making sure that our reward is always higher than our risk. So yeah, $53. Let's see. So guys, I just put the trade on break even now. Since we're already 1-to-1, doesn't look like the trade is going to be coming back. So the news is hitting around 7. So let's just wait. As you can see, I put it like above a bit. Let me just move it a little bit. So yeah, let's just see what happens, guys. So guys, based on past experiences, I was like, it's not smart to actually break even right now. I can reduce the risk at least. I can reduce the risk, but breaking even is not really a smart idea. So I'm just going to be doing that, just reducing the risk. Just reduce the risk. So let's see what we're risking. So we'll be risking less than half percent. So yeah. So this is way better than breaking even from a 1-to-1. So I just felt like it just occurred to me that it's better to do this. Then once we hit it 1-to-2, then it's okay to break even at that point. But 1-to-1s can still easily be covered back. So guys, as you can see what the news did, the news went down. The news went down. But what happened was I actually did put my stop loss to break even. And while the news was about to come out, I was like, what stopped me out the most in the last challenge? It was actually news. And if news has gone that far like that, like it has gone far, I always like, since I'm in profit, let me just take it ever since. So now we are up like not up to 1%, but like nearly 1% is like $40. So we're up $40, which means we can still risk 1. And that's nice. That's very nice. So let's see. This is what we needed. We need the first trade, at least the first 2 trades. I didn't mean yesterday trade played out. Would have gotten 4% on this trade. I would have been using 1% to just trade till we pass. But yeah, we're not really getting enough movement from the market today. It's just been consolidation. You guys can see all this. This is just the moves that we could get. So that's why the market is really slow today. Even though there was like bunch of news today, but they really move. So yeah, since this is happening, I've already taken my profits for today, and yeah, I'm out of the market till tomorrow. We'll see what the market presents to us. Yep. So guys, yeah. See, I should have talked to my gods actually, but uh, um, yeah, the market didn't give me a lot of chance to, stick to my guts. So yeah, as you can see, price went to 1-to-2, and it's crazy, guys. Though we got 1%, but we always need to make sure that, because tomorrow we don't know if we're gonna win or lose a trade, but we always make sure that our winning trades are always higher than our losing trades. So yeah, see what we got on this half. So yeah, I was thinking of re-entering again, but it didn't make sense to re-enter. It only made sense from here, but it didn't make sense to re-enter from here because it was very likely that price would break. But if I had left the trade and I had let my stop loss here, as I planned on doing it, I would have been in profit by right now, 1-to-2. So yeah, let's just wait till tomorrow, guys. Let's just wait till tomorrow. It's just trading. These are things that happen. So guys, you guys have known like this trade, man. This trade went perfectly, guys. See, let's check on the 15 minutes. You see that it was a perfect trade. Each trade that are giving us a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, almost a 1 to 5 safe. Almost a 1 to 5. But I would have normally I would have come out like a 1 to 4, 1 to 3 normally. Because I don't set my TP, I only put alerts there. So this trade are giving us well over 1 to 3. But at least we came out with like nearly 1 to 1, almost 1 to 1 because of the news. I came out somewhere around there because once I saw the news, um, no, actually, I was like, the news always end up taking me at break even or like stopping us out before moving. So I was like, it's only be right to leave the trade. And I was thinking of entering here. I was thinking of entering back here, but this place gave equal eyes. This see you see this place, it gave equal eyes. So this equal eyes didn't let me. Had it been it broke above, so had it been he broke this place broke above now and he came back, I would have entered here. But like he didn't break above, it was equal high. So I was like, nah, I'm not entering. So that was a little bit justifiable. I was just following my trading plan. And yeah, it was a nice trade. So let's see what we can do tomorrow. What we're expecting for tomorrow is, as you can see on the 4 hour, you see that the 4 hour supply is almost it's almost at the 4 hour supply. So on the 4 hour, we'll look for the entry confirmation to sell from this place because this is the last supply area on gold. This is the last supply area. There's no other supply left. So once this as you see, I drew this yesterday. So I was like, once price gets this place, then we'll be expecting a sell back to either this high of the. So we need an entry confirmation off of that 4 hour supply to sell down. Well, if it breaks the supply, then we'll be looking to buy like gold. We just keep buying. There will be no longer supply like he did in some time ago. So let's just see. So guys, let me wait for this thing to load. This is how the price was looking before, but you see this place I marked it and I pushed my buy limit there. So let this chart load. Okay. Don't know what's wrong with my MTN network today. It's kind of bad. At least we can still see the chart. So yeah, as you can see, I marked this place where price is coming off of right now. Price came off of here. Now price came back to touch the 4 hour and is coming back to this hour entry. So I'm looking to enter from this place, right? I'm looking to enter from here. So once price taps us in, we're looking to buy to this place. So this is going to give, if this hits, this is going to give us like $350 in profit. So let's hope this hits. Guys, so I just got my alert that price has tapped us in. So as you can see, we've been tapped in, guys. We've been tapped in. So let's see what price does. So we're going in for a buy. Going in for a buy. Waited for this all day. So let's see. Hopefully price just keeps shooting to the upside. So let's see. I'm gonna leave this trade, guys. This one is going to be left alone. Let's go and see what the account is looking like. I have to cancel this because I need to reload it. It's just how Match Trader works. So I need to reload it so that to show me the current price that the market is giving us. So it's loading. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay, sorry for that. It's better now. So yeah, I don't know. Today is Thursday, and I think today I don't know what's wrong with MTN throughout today. It's just really bad. So we're up $7 already. So yeah, so the market is already moving. So let's just hope that price continues to shoot to the upside from here. Peace. I'll update you when when it's there. I'll put a TP for TP. I'll put a alert for TP1 and I'll put a alert for TP2. Or I'll aiming for TP2. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we just hit TP2 right now. Just hit TP1. Sorry. So, well, as you can see, I'm up $91. So I'm up $91 now. I'm still going to leave it because this trade is still going to go up. So I'm leaving it, guys. Still leaving this trade. Let's see what this trade has for us. So I'll leave it till it reach this is on TP2. So once it gets here, I might get out of the trade. But I want to break even now, guys. So I want to break even. That's why I came on. So yeah. So we're breaking even. So we're trading risk free now. So yeah, guys. Catch you on the next slide. You guys, so basically what happened to yesterday trade, I didn't have the time to explain. So yesterday trade, you can see on the 15 minutes time frame, you discover that I re-entered. Like, what happened is, I told you guys I was going to break even, so I break even. We were here, then price came back, guys. Price tank and stopped us out. But because this has happened several times in front of me, it has happened several times. I re-entered around there. I re-entered. Then when I re-entered, price went back up. So I re-entered with a smaller lot size because I was like, I don't want to risk the same amount in a session that is not my session. But I knew that this thing has happened before and it might be the same thing happening again. So I re-entered. Then when I entered, the price took us up. Then I entered around here too. Then the price took us up. Then I left around here with like a profit of 70 something dollars. So the account is up. Let me open this. So so as you can see, we are up 2% on the account. We didn't even like really get our risk to reward, honestly. I think we got our risk to reward, guys. We'll be up like almost passing the account, guys, because we got winning trades throughout. Like, all the analysis we did were right, but it's just that one thing led to another that we were not able to enter, like missing entries, getting out on time, getting out without letting it ride. So all those stuff added up, and that's why we are still up to 2% right now. But next week, today is Friday, I've not seen any trade to take yet on Friday, but this is what I'm seeing on gold. I'm seeing this 15 minutes supply here. I'm seeing this 15 minutes supply here. I'm looking to take a sell if price retraces back before market close. If price comes back here, then I'll take a sell. Well, if it doesn't, then I'll just, we'll just have to wait till Monday.
Previous low of day and go into the weekly time frame is what I meant to do. Now, what I'm about to show you guys now is sauce. Like, you guys need to pay attention and really like try to focus, because if you guys pay attention to these zooms, I promise you will see results.
Yo, what's up, guys? Basically, this week was a very nice week. Though we didn't get our risk to reward right. I think we got our risk to reward right, guys. We'll be like 4%, 5% up on this account, but it's fine. We are just 2% up on the account, and yeah, let's see how next week is going to go. I'm hoping that next week we're going to be able to get some percentage on their account. But the way gold is looking now, gold is looking very, very sideways because at the highest high. So it's retracing and in a way it's still going back up. So like it's just consolidating at the moment. And not just consolidating, it's consolidating on the higher time frame. So there's going to be a lot of problem in that aspect. Because one thing I've always learned is that we should always be aware of the market condition. So the market condition is what I'm aware of now. So let's just see how next week is going to be. So guys, do well to subscribe, do well to like. The last video we did, was the highest views we had on this channel. Let me put it up here. So we had the highest view. We had like 173 views on the channel, and a lot of people engaged. A lot of people commented. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'll be posting more videos every week, and yeah, you guys should stay posted. I'll be doing day in the lives too. Day in the lives too can come anytime, so just be on the lookout, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.